In this video, I will show you how to set up Google Ads conversion tracking for Shopify. First things first, go ahead and open Shopify on your device. Make sure you're signed into your account. In here, go ahead and head over into the Ad App section and scroll down and click on Shopify App Store. Now on your Shopify App Store, go ahead and search for YouTube and Google. So the Shopify App Store will actually allow you to simply connect your Google and YouTube accounts into your Shopify App Store. So in here, go ahead and search for Google and YouTube. Now on the results section, go ahead and install this into your account. Now once you have actually installed this into your account, under this you'll be able to find options to set up your Google Ads conversion measurement. So click on that Get Started button. Under the Just Want to Set Up Google Ads Conversion, here you'll need to enter your Google Ads account. Hit on the Connect button. So make sure that you already have a Google Ads account before setting this up into your account. And that is how you can simply set up Google Ads conversion tracking on Shopify. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.